Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can root any Motorola device. This is the fastest and easiest way on the entire internet. Just open one-click root application, select your model device, and connect your phone with USB. Once there, click on Root Now, and it will start preparing all the necessary files and start the root process. A few things to mention before this finishes loading. 1. This process is completely reversible, so you can undo all the changes without worry. It's also 100% safe. I've had this root installed on my phone for quite a while now, and it's going to start unpacking all the packages you need. It's not complicated at all, so don't worry. I'm going to show you what this will look like from beginning to end. Just make sure you wait on the home screen. Don't do anything, and soon, depending on your Wi-Fi speed, should start finishing installing all files. As you can see, the Magisk application has automatically installed. Using this Magisk application to check status our process. As you can see, my phone has just been rooted. The next thing you need to do is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get one-click root application. So just head over to the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.